leave our cabin clean, please take any remaining waste items with you and place them in the trash bin as you exit the aircraft or inside the terminal. When you open the overhead bin compartment, be careful as items may have shifted during flight. You may now use your cell phones. We apologize for our delayed arrival. If this is your